In this video, we're going to learn how to organize data properly in Microsoft Excel. Here we have some customer name and their weekly income. We need to put the name here and copy the names, copy the income in the cell. We can copy and paste the name here. Similarly, copy the income and paste in the cell. However, if we have 19 different data set and there is 50 income, if we want to copy this data and paste it this way, then it will take time. That's why we follow a shortcut here. First, we put the cursor in the second row and put Ctrl Shift down arrow to select all the data here. Now press Ctrl Z, a pop-up window will appear. Go to special. First, we need to select the customer name. So tick for text and untick other options. Press OK. All the names are selected. Press Ctrl C from keyboard to copy all the data, customer name, and put the cursor here and press Ctrl V. All the names, customer names are copied here. Done. Now go to the first cell again, select data again, press Ctrl Z, go to special. Now our job is to copy the income. Tick for number and untick other options. Press OK. All the incomes are selected. Simply press Ctrl C. Now it is time for paste. Ctrl V. All the names are pasted here. That's how you can organize data properly, quickly in Microsoft Excel. This is smart, this is faster. That's why you need to follow this way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thanks.